Hello, lovely people. Welcome to this channel. We will have a tutorial on hat molding using a plate and then a bowl. So the first thing to do is to wrap our bowl and plate with a polythene bag or rubber. When you are at an area where a mold is not available, I think this would be the easiest method to attain whatever you want to do. So what we are doing next is to smear our Vaseline or any oily cream on our bowl. Okay, we actually do this so that a fabric or cinnamon or whatever used doesn't stick on the rubber. I would like to use these 2 layers of fabric to cover the mold. Okay, you have to cut the fabric in a circular form, that's of the plate and bowl, but at least you have to leave about 5 to 8 inches so that it could cover it very well. So the next thing to do is to dip our fabric into water to make it wet so that we can mold properly. Also, I'm sure you know that the head of the hat, okay, that's the one I used the bow for, is the crown, and then this wide part, that's the plate, okay, is the brim of a hat. So every hat consists of 2 parts, that's the brim and then the crown. So what I'm doing now with the pegs is to actually get the shape of the brim. Okay, so you have to mold well so as to get the shape. So we apply same to the crown of the hat. We dip the same fabric into water and then mold. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel as you enjoy this video. Hit the notification button as well as comment if you really enjoying this video. So I'm doing same to the crown. You have to do this carefully so you don't mess it out. This shouldn't be a problem if you've tried molding with the mold. Okay, it's